In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to sell on Amazon and how to build a profitable online business using the Amazon website. We're going to talk about how you can start a profitable business in the comfort of your own home.
Essentially, you just find a product that's already selling on Amazon, find a supplier or a manufacturer that's already making that product, and then you put your brand on it, design your packaging, and send that to Amazon, and they do all the rest for you. Welcome to the Sprint to Profit for Amazon Sellers channel, where we help sellers exactly like you grow and scale on Amazon with no hype or black hat tactics. I'm Kirsty.
And I'm Isaac, and we're not only real active Amazon sellers who have sold multi-millions of dollars, but we've also coached more than 1,000 students and helped them make a highly sustainable and profitable lifestyle business using the Amazon FBA model.
So here's how to start building your Amazon FBA business in just 7 simple steps. So step 1, before you do anything with your products, you definitely want to understand what type of customer that you are going to serve.
In marketing, they call this the ideal client, which is basically just the person who will be most likely to use your products. The main reason why you want to do this is because your first goal is to create a brand that connects with this ideal client.
Now don't worry, unlike a lot of other marketing experts who try and teach on this subject, the way we identify your ideal client is way easier than filling out some sort of sheet of all the demographics of this type of person.
All you really have to do is determine what interest your products will fall into and make sure they're all in the same interest. For example, you don't want to sell dog toys if you're a shoe company for female models. It doesn't make sense.
So if your interest is home decor or outdoor living or swimming or high fashion, then you should develop a brand with that particular interest. Why? Because this means your product selection will be a lot easier as they will stay within that interest, and you can cross-sell your products to the same customer in the future. So step 2, now that you know what your brand looks like, you can start researching your products to see what brings you back the best return on investment.
Using your interest and ideal client as your product guide, you can start looking at products on Amazon.com that fall into this interest. We recommend installing a product research tool called Jungle Scout to help you analyze the results from the Amazon pages, and you can find a link to that tool in the details below this video.
Now the first step in doing this research is to find products on Amazon by literally typing in what you would call that product into the Amazon search bar. We call this a keyword. Even though there may be a number of words, it's still called a keyword. Type that keyword in and hit the Jungle Scout icon, and it brings up all the market data on those products, like how many sales per month, pricing, and how many reviews that they've got. This is great because we want to make sure that there are products that customers are buying with enough demand for you to jump into the market and get sales.
We like to have 1 to 3 sellers on page 1 for the main keyword of a product with 1,000 sales per month or so, and if there are more than 5 sellers with 1,000 monthly sales on page 1 of a main keyword, those products are usually more difficult to compete with. This means you have to spend more money to stay with the competition.
So step 3, once you determine that there is a demand on Amazon for these products, you need to work out if the products are profitable enough to sell and also give yourself a competitive advantage.
We will go into this even more in the next video in our training series, and you can see a link to that video below in the description as well. That's the basics about the Amazon product research phase, and before we jump into the marketing of the products, let me ask you if you have any questions about the process so far. Because there are definitely some things during this process that need to be actioned upon in order to make some sense. So what are your burning questions about starting or making your existing Amazon business profitable? Let us know in the comments below.
So step 4, once you determine what product you want to move forward with, you'll contact a few different factories and start to negotiate the best pricing, the best quality,
and best relationship to help you get a competitive advantage in the marketplace. You will get samples from the factories you like best and then decide which factory you like best out of those factories.
Step 5, this one is a quickie. You basically just need to place your order and start your production.
Step 6, while your goods are in production, you'll put together your marketing plans for the product. This includes creating your Amazon product page, setting up your Amazon sponsored ads campaigns, and creating a launch plan to help you get sales from the start.
And I'm not going to sugarcoat it here. This is the part that most people don't do properly, and this is where you can fail in the business. You need to make sure that your products have good listings that appeal to your ideal client in what you write, and what you show in your images, and even what the price of the product is.
Otherwise, people won't really want to buy it even if they find the product in the first place. Once you have a good listing, that's when you can send people to this product page through Amazon advertising and through any other methods you have at your disposal.
So for example, if you've got a Facebook group that has got a lot of people who might be interested in the products, you can announce the product being live to them and provide a promotional code to help you get some initial sales.
There are literally hundreds of ways to promote your products on and off Amazon.
But the one we know that works the best is using Amazon sponsored ads. It's directly at the point where the customer wants to buy the product.
All you need to do is find what terms customers are searching, and then you bid to get shown on those terms. If you have a good strategy and set a proper budget for the marketing, you will get sales.
And last but not least, step 7. From this point on, it's basically your job to keep doing the product launch system that we just outlined from steps 4 to 6.
With that said, find another product, get a good price and quality on it, and market the hell out of it on Amazon. This system will allow you to grow an Amazon business to whatever level you want. The only thing that limits your growth are your resources of time and money.
And the more time you have and the more money you have available, the quicker and larger you can grow. But most of us don't need $1 million business right off the bat. What we need is a business that shows us that we can make a couple of $1,000s of income to put in our pocket each month so we have the confidence to keep going.
And that's our goal for you. Get to $1,000 of income each month to start, then get to $2,000 of income, and so on. Using these steps, you can get there. Download our free Getting Started checklist below. This also signs you up to our email list so that you can get only real actionable tips and training on how to be a thriving Amazon seller.
If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the little bell to subscribe to our channel for more videos to help you start on your journey. So click on the link below to learn more.